Welcome. In front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can change picture mode. At first you have to grab your remote control and then tap on the menu button. Next use right arrow to move to the picture. Then tap on the bottom arrow and then simply click OK. To go for the picture mode, as you can see here we get a couple of them. There's the standard, cinema day and the night, PC, dynamic, and the user. And when you tap on the user you can change everything just manually, from contrast to color, with sharpness and the brightness. Here you can find also the noise reduction, color, temperature and the white balance. If you want to change, for example, the brightness, you are entering here and then moving on your remote control with arrows left and the right. And after that you can just simply click menu button to go back. Click it another time, and as you can see when you go back here, it's changed, right? So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.